Hot film wax is a new generation of stripless waxes. Stripless waxes can be used on any part of the body without strips. The hot film wax is very comfortable in use on the armpit, bikini and face areas because it follows the body's relief. The film wax ItalWax is produced in form of pellets, which lets the specialist measure the exact amount of wax needed for procedure. Pour the wax in the container. Put the container in the wax heater and fix the temperature at maximum. Preheat the wax for about 20 minutes. Start with the maximum temperature, decreasing it gradually. Pay attention to the wax consistency. It should resemble liquid honey. At the end, set the temperature at 45 degrees and start the procedure. Apply the pre-wax gel, which will prepare the skin for the depilation procedure. Use the small cotton stick for the face. Pre-wax gel will remove the cosmetics and sweat residues and lift the hair. Sponge gel if needed. Spread the wax on the skin with the small wooden spatula, which is designed specially for face. Press the spatula firmly, forming an application, which should end in the area free of hair. Wax hardening time may vary depending on the temperature of client's skin. Lift the wax at a side, pull the skin, and tear off the application with one quick movement. Repeat the procedure on the other side of the lip. Start from the point below the nose and prolong the application on the cheek. Don't forget to pull the skin in the opposite direction while removing the wax. Remove the wax in one quick movement and press the hand afterwards. It will reduce the pain. After the procedure, apply the recovery cream, which soothes the skin, cools it, and prevents ingrown hair. Prepare the skin with pre-wax gel using the cotton stick. Pre-wax gel contains the small amount of alcohol, which helps to dry and decrease the skin. Sponge gel if needed. Lift the eyebrow and spread below the wax with a small wooden spatula. Be very careful while working in the eye-close area. Press the spatula firmly, forming an application, which should end in the area free of hair. Wax will harden in up to 5 to 10 seconds. Pull the skin, lift the wax at a side, remove the application with one quick movement. Repeat the procedure on another eyebrow. Rose film wax is ideal for face depilation because it hardens fast, being delicate and smooth at the same time. Remove the wax in one quick movement and press the hand afterwards. It will reduce the pain. After the procedure, apply the recovery cream, which soothes the skin, cools it, and prevents from ingrown hair.